I may have found the really easy workflow when it comes to beginner trying to getting into Cursor and following instructions. Dennis Bajit is going to show us how to build a micro SaaS website in 19 minutes with V0, Cursor AI, and ChatGPT. And for those that are still trying to figure it out, I feel like this video is really good if you've had a bit of understanding and played around with Cursor and V0, but I haven't really fully structured the start or the beginning parts of how to make sure that it doesn't crash, it doesn't mess up on you. And I feel like I've watched the first 5 minutes of this video, and I really feel like it's really good to for me to demonstrate if I could actually follow these instructions, beginner friendly, and see whether or not I can make this website. And we'll see how we go. So I'll play the video and then see how far we get. I want to play it on 1.5 speed and see if this workflow is really good for you. If it is, I highly suggest you follow this Dennis baby guy. For those that don't know, Cursor is a paid app. The 2 weeks are for free, and then I feel like it costs $25 a month to keep using it, which is the right hand side of my screen. This is what Cursor looks like. It's your ability to write and compose prompts to turn it into code. Currently, he's on this V0 website, which it's used to help design the front end or the user experience of what website looks like. So he's saying, please create a hero section using Next.js Tailwind. Okay, that's probably the problem that I had before because I was using a lot of ShadCN. Maybe it was more complicated. So for beginners, when you see ShadCN, think of ShadCN as a library, maybe a complicated library, and Tailwind is more just simple basic stuff. So let's just follow the instructions. So go to V0 and say, please create a hero section using a Next.js 14 Tailwind. Okay, so click V0. Create a Next.js 14. We say Next.js 14 Tailwind hero section. A hero section is the main part of website. Tailwind. Now, this is really basic prompting, and this is the power of the LLMs trying to figure out what you're trying to say. Look. Cool. I'm happy with that. Looks pretty similar. So it took me 2 weeks to figure this out. If you follow this guy and just prompt ChatGPT to say it, it will do it for you. So this is really awesome gold information, which I wish I got, 2 weeks ago. So this is really good. It speeds up the process. All right, so this is what I want to do. This is the workflow that I've been using. So here, you just double click cursor, you come into this, then bottom right corner, it says toggle integrate terminal, click that. And this is how I've been doing it. You don't have to follow me. I would say do not follow me because this is a weird workflow. CD project is where I put every single project. Oh, sorry, CD projects. If it gets ready, can't find it. Okay, so from here, I want to say follow that npx, npx create. Oh wait, no. So what did the ChatGPT say? This is why you should follow the video. Create dash next dash create dash next dash app at latest. Boom. You will be prompted to name your project. Type the project's name. Awesome. So landing page. They don't like spaces, so make sure you put a dash. Press enter. And now we've got an error. Let's see what the error is. The reason why it doesn't work is because I've already got something like that. Okay, let's start again. So we're in CD projects. So we do it again. So we got npx space create dash next dash app at latest. Boom. Okay, let's just call it something random. Let's say call it dog. And then it's going to ask me to name it. Oh yeah, nice. So press enter. It's the defaults. So whatever he says in the video, just follow what he says in the video, which is this. Boom. npm run dev is just going to open a website in your local server. You can't be played on the website on the internet yet, but it's a good start. herosection.tsx and paste that in. Boom. And then click save. See, I like this because it's copy and paste, except you just change one part. So we've got the hero section, the feature section. It's the second part of the website. So if you've been following, go back to the tab V0 and just, I will just copy this first prompt, paste, instead of heroes, write features, which is going to be this lower part of the website. Press enter. Let that load. I'm a big fan of V0 because if you're a visual person like myself, this part looks really cool. So it's like ChatGPT, but making websites. And I love that because I should not even be here just figuring out how to do code. But now I'm here. And the cool thing about this is being 2 weeks in, this is another way of your workflow, just section by section by section. Because if you learn something for the first time, it's going to be hard to follow through with some of this stuff. Look, this looks all right. And if you do follow tutorials, it's not always going to be the same because large language models are pretty random sometimes. So you're not going to get the exact same thing. Because if you look here, just a list, but this guy's going to get something different. So please create a hero section. What he said. Please create a features section using tailwind. Yep. For our purpose, we won't modify anything. All right, features. This is why you got to be specific. So let's just do the same thing. Features section with 9. What do you say? Nine features. Let's see if it gives us the icons. There you go. We'll do that as well. Did the same thing without doing icons. All good. I am okay with that. It asks you to spell npm lucidly at, which is at this stage I have no idea what that is. All you do is copy this, go back to cursor, right click, new file, features. Make sure you spell it right. Feature, because you'll run into problems afterwards. Feature section. Paste it there. Boom. And this is the part where I'm really interested in this because I get squiggly lines and I hate the squiggly lines. But let's just follow. So features section.tsx. Is that what he did? Yeah. Oh, features with an S. So I was right. So here F2 is to rename F2 features. Copy exactly everything. Still one thing wrong. But it fixed a fair bit of things. All right. See what he says. Okay. Yep. We got the same instructions. Copy that. Open the terminal. That bottom right square arrow underscore. Terminal. Copy and paste. Press enter. It will install that. And then let's keep for. Okay. I've got the same thing. Copy this. Go to cursor. Find the apps, which is the top folder here. And then I don't have, oh, here's pages. This part here, Control A and Control and paste that there. Okay. So far, just copy and paste. Easy. I love easy. I love this part. So here, main. So I wonder if the AI will figure this part out. Hero section. Boom. All I did was press tab. Still got the red squiggly line. And this is the bane of my existence. And for anyone that's probably a beginner, what does the squiggly line mean? It means that I'll let the video do the explanation. It means that the app is hallucinating. You can't find it, so therefore it's completely lying. But this guy has a better way of explaining it. This is what I was faced with at the start because I didn't really understand how things work. So we've got components here. You need to tell it where it is. Okay. So import features from, where is it from? Components, features. So the thing here, it needs a capital F. Let's have a look. So if I try to fix it, I can't see it. Yeah. So, right, features, section. There. That's how you, and I'm pretty sure if I do that, let's see what the video says, but it's already prompting that. It's, I'm going to guess that's what it wants. And then it's going to ask you to do a tab. Let's see. Hero section, feature section. Yeah, cool. So pretty much the same as what the video is saying. Awesome. Easy is good. Easy is good. So again, go back here. Oh, the first one. And delete hero, or just delete hero and just write pricing. Also, V0 has a free plan as well. I'm paying for it. I just see value in it. So if you don't have the money, you don't have to pay for it. What you're paying for is extra tokens, and what extra tokens do is just gives you unlimited or almost unlimited kind of prompts. So if you're doing the free plan, just make sure you are just being a bit more, I guess, savvy with your prompts. Boom, that looks cool. Really, really cool. I'm going to try to deploy this. Okay. And I bet you just copy this. And let's just see what the video says, but I'm pretty sure you just copy and paste from the last instructions. Exactly the same. So go back to your components, new file, capital P, pricing section.tsx. Make sure you spelled it right, press enter. If you didn't, just make sure you spell it right. And then keep going. Okay, go to page. And boom, just all you need to do is press tab, pricing section. Tab, and then pricing section at the top. Let's see if he's what he says. Oh yeah, that you have to do. So, so you have to learn top and bottom. Okay, so in pages, import features. Okay. This is what I'm trying to understand. So it's in this file, you're importing information from another file, which is what you're creating in the component section. So you import that information and then put it here. I see. Yeah. Those that have been practicing cursor, you should know this. If this is your first time, npm m run dev to see if it actually works. It's got a problem section. We'll see what it says. It might come up with a problem section because it's got a features problem, but let's just see if it's going to run. This is where you messed. This is where I messed up. So this is what I always get, but those that don't give up will make sure things will get better. So let's go to the problem section. Lucid React. Let's see what refresh. Okay, let's see if we can fix this. Fix with AI. What? I don't even know what this means. I'm just wanting to fix it. All right, so let's have a look. This is what's pissing me off. Don't I? Why can't I get this working? How come he? This is my problem right now. How come he's got this and I don't have that? Interesting. Let's just keep going. All right, so at 8 minute mark, I've just got it wrong, but let's just see what happens. Okay, I want to go for a different route. Control Shift I. This is the whole section. I might just do pages. Okay, I just used the voice app. Command H. So I'm having a problem looking at my new code. It still has the default Next.js boilerplate. Can you see what's wrong with it and try to make sure that it can see the updated hero section, feature section, and pricing section? I don't know what I did wrong, but can you please help me? See what happens. Please. Let's just go accept all. Funny. All right, I'm just going to get these problems, try to sort out. Okay, can you say, I got this error. I got this error with the code. This is where I'm always stuck, just getting the same problem after problem. But this is the whole purpose of learning in public, because people are going to come up with this. You again should have stayed with the tutorial, but let's see what happens. npm install. Yeah, that's what I've done. Let's try that. That's probably what it is. I haven't installed it properly. So go to terminal, new terminal. Pretty sure I installed it down, but let's see. Yeah. It's up to date. Let's click save. Okay. Any error. Got this error. Okay. Oh. Again, say still got the same error. Still got the same error. I bet if it gives me the same error, you do at codebase at web. Still got the same error. Still got the same error. And I should have said don't be lazy. That's another one I should have said. Again, I'm still trying to learn code, so still trying to figure out what this all means. So don't need to run all this. I'm sure that needs to be accurate. I've got this. Delete the accept all. Same error. Fuck.